Okay, so you're a lazy shit and you want to make the most amount of money possible in the shortest amount of time. Luckily, you're in luck. I found the way to do it. Make sure you guys stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm going to give you guys away some free sauce. No need to thank me. I just thank your bank accounts. Okay, first things first. You're going to need $250 Okay. Number one. Looks like a two, but it's a one. Number one, $250 to $1,000 that you're able to spend. Okay. That's the first thing you need. $250 to $1,000. You don't need that much. If you don't have that money, just get a job, dude. It's not that big of a deal. If you have a job, then you have a lot more money to play around with and actually spend to produce revenue. Okay. Number two. Okay. Website. Okay. Number two, you need a website. Okay. You need a website that is on Google, and it needs to be a place where people can click on and actually buy a product or a service. Okay. So this could be deodorant. It can be freelance services like website creation. It can be a software product. Maybe you're selling like an app, but the website needs to be able to be seen by Google and for people to be able to click on it and actually buy your stuff. Okay. Well, now add service and plus product. Okay. And then you can just make like the website with like Shopify or like Lovable. It really doesn't matter that much as long as the client has a clear point of actually buying the software or a clear navigation of where to buy and actually check out. And if you don't know what products to sell, literally just look on TikTok or just copy someone's like copy what anyone's doing. Okay, it's really simple. And then number three, this is our distribution. This is how you get clients in the door. Okay, GEO plus Reddit plus SEO. Okay, so GEO is Generative Engine Optimization. Okay, right now we're able to exploit ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google Gemini to get us ranked extremely fast within 2 to 3 days. One of my buddies, I think he spent $200 and he made $50,000 in about a month and a half just from Google. And he only spent $200 on generating the domains and then plus the PBN, so public blog network, where he posted all of his blogs to them. And he ended up getting ranked on ChatGPT. He made like $50,000. Okay. And then Reddit. We're going to be posting on Reddit once or twice a day on specific areas where people are actually looking for your product and saying, hey, and acting like an actual real person and a customer. And then plus SEO, it's pretty similar to GEO, but it's just going to get you ranked on Google. It's a little bit slower. It takes around 3, 4, 5 months. But if you do it right, it's going to work. And this should only run you around $300 one time setup. And what you want to do, you want to go out and find, let's do a text, find expired age domains, buy 10 of those. Okay, buy 10 of those, and then write 100 blog post and post 10 on each domain. Okay, perfect. So once you do that, you want to just go here and you're going to buy a PBN, so a public blog network. These are normally like 95 to $100, and the domains are normally like $5 each, so you're going to be spending $50. Okay, so PBN plus the blog network, that's literally all you have to do to hit your first $5 to $10,000 a month. I've seen guys, like I was saying, make $50,000 in like a month and a half because ChatGPT is so easy to exploit right now. Okay. And if you want to put this in overdrive, you can do Reddit marketing. Okay. So for Reddit marketing, you want to make 5 accounts, warm the 5 accounts up for 14 days, then post 2 times a day per account. Okay. And with Reddit, I already have a video on how you guys are going to warm up the Reddit accounts. It's really simple. It's kind of like, running a cold email campaign. You pretty much want to make 5 accounts. You're going to warm up the accounts similar to like an email would. So you're going to warm up the accounts for 14 days. And then after that, you want to start actually making 2 posts per day per account. So that's going to be, I think, 10 posts a day, if my math is correct. If you set that up every single month, that's going to be 300 Reddit posts. Reddit is great. It's going to drive a ton of traffic, and people have made full-time incomes off of just Reddit. So this is going to be your 2026 playbook, how to actually get your first users, how to actually hit $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. It's really simple. It's really cheap. Plus, this will probably take you around 2 to 3 hours every single day, and you don't have to do any sales calls, nothing like that. And plus, what's cool about it is it's like digital real estate. So once you post these stuff, these blog networks, and you actually start ranking on Google and ChatGPT, you'll be up there for multiple months to come, as long as you keep it up and actually keep replenishing the search data. Okay, well, I hope you liked the video. If you want more like this, feel free to comment. And plus, if you want all this to be automated for you and done for you, you can go to vigilnode.net. It does the Reddit outreach for you automatically. It buys the PBN links, and it posts your blogs on multiple different blog networks. It's going to cost you like $297, but you'll make $2,000 to $5,000 every single month. So, yeah, take care.